Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your task manager pane is not working, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first thing we can do is to run an SFC scan on command prompt. So for that we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Here we'll input the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter, and we'll let the scan run. At the same time, we will also try to sync the time and the date. So normally if the time and the date are not synced, it causes various issues including browser issues, system issues. So let's right click on the start button, look for settings, and we will go to time and language, date and time, and we'll make sure that these three radio buttons are on: set time zone automatically, set time automatically, and show time and date in system tray. Then we will click on sync now, and when we get the tick button, it should be done. Now if your task manager is still not working, then we will have to do a system restore to a point where our system was working properly and task manager was working properly. For that we will have to look for recovery in the search bar. Here recovery, and we will click on open system restore, click on next, and we will click on the restore point, click on next, and then click on finished, and that should solve the issue. If none of these options work, which is very rare, these options should definitely solve your problem, but in the rare case if none of these work, then we will reset the PC. So we'll right click on the start button, look for settings, and then we will click on system, and we will have to look for recovery, and we'll click on reset this PC. Now we will click on remove everything, but a word of caution folks, if you're going to click on remove everything, make sure you back up your personal data like your pictures and your folders, whatever you want for the future, on an external hard drive, because this will completely clean your system and install a brand new version of the Windows operating system. So click on remove everything, and then click on cloud download, and click on next and next, and it will restart the computer in a brand new version of your operating system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.